We are in stateroom 7124 on the Disney Magic, and this is a stateroom with a Navigator's veranda, and you'll see the difference there in just a moment. You can see there's a lot of storage. There's a split bathroom, as is standard on most Disney ships and most staterooms. And this stateroom sleeps 3 because there is no pull-down bed up there. And you can see still a lot of storage. There's a refrigerator in there. And this is what makes this a Navigator's veranda. As you can see, a little built-in seat over there, chair, and just a large cutout porthole to see through. It's nice if you want something sheltered, and it is your cheapest way to get a veranda on the ship. And there we go. Thanks for watching.